Top 10 Turkish desserts. Let's see. Loco. Loca. Number 10. Flistikli balava, number 6. Very good. Tululumbu Tbilisi, number 2. I know. Number 2. Civizli Sanjok, number 8. Let's see. Jengril Birligi, number 9. Very good. Kakashvili, number 7. I know. Let's see. Hishivili Ravioli, number 4. Very good. Shakespeare, number 1, of course. William Shakespeare. Loco. Glug, number 5. Shokolola baklava.